Hi, I'm Olagoki Dotun, a product of 72-hour income generator, a training program by Mr. Toyin Omotosho. I came across the program around March, April 2019 when I was really struggling with my finance as the head of the family. I need to subscribe to the program to generate a fast income, which to the glory of God I was able to achieve so as to return my dignity as the head of the family. So far, so good. 12 months counting now. I've been able to generate a sales volume up to about 15 million naira, which allows me to pocket over 7.5 million naira in product sales out of just eight. That's 8 active months in business. I always say thank God and God bless the day I met Tony Omotosho. He mentors. He doesn't only teach, he also stand by you and see you succeed in the business.
My name is Shola Matthew, and I'm a student of the 72-hour income generator. I just want to say a very big thank you to Mr. Tony Omotosho for developing this particular program that is helping a lot of people to make money online by helping, of course, other people, right? And I want to say that within the space of 30 to 35 days, I've been able to make more than 400,000 naira using my WhatsApp, and then I've been able to make up to 400,000 naira. So let me just sign into my Expertnaire platform and let me show you something. So this is my email and my password. All right. Let me just show you something. Let me show you my earnings for the month. Okay. Yeah. So this is my own dashboard, right? This is my own dashboard. As you can see, this is my name here, Akinluyi Shola Matthew. And then this is my affiliate link. But then, you know, this is where you can get the product from, right? This is a place where we have a lot of products. But that is not what I want to talk about today. I just want to show you my earnings. All right, so if you look at this, I already have 32 sales, and then with the 32 sales I already made 456,000 naira. All right, and then here is my account balance, and this is the payout I'm gonna get tomorrow. I'm so happy to be recording this video today because we receive our payment every Friday, and you can see this is my next payout. So I'm going to receive this tomorrow, Friday, and then this will be my balance. Mind you, I've already collected part of this payment. For example, even the last payment was 90,000 naira, and then here again I'm collecting 120,000 naira in tomorrow, Friday. So this is super real. This is so real. And what you're going to learn in the program is even much more than the money you're going to pay for it. For example, I've learned more of email marketing, Facebook advertisement, and so much more in the program. So I just want to say thank you very much, Mr. Tony Omotosho. I really appreciate it.
My name is Sean Johnson. I got the 72 IG program from Tony Omotosho. Prior to this time, I have not had a great success in digital marketing space. I've been on and off since 2016. So around February 2019, I got into the program and I took the course. Basically, the course delivers what it takes to sell online. That's just the summary of it. After taking the course, I literally earned a commission of over 1 million naira on Expertnaire within 2 months. Now, I'll just show you my dashboard so you can see that result live. Let's go to my Expertnaire dashboard, and this is my Expertnaire dashboard. Remember I told you I got the program in February of 2019. I think we took about a month because we was releasing it in modules back then. It took about a month for us to complete the module. So in March I began to implement it, and if you look at this is March 2019, 1st of March 2019 to what? April 30th 2019. In 2 months I literally earned commissions of over a million on Expertnaire, using the things I learned in that program. So I didn't stop there. I also took what I learned from the 72 program and created my own information product Now, he had also sold a package sometimes. I also got his package sometimes ago on that 7-star, how to create info product and stuff like that. I combined what I had in the 72 IG program and created my own information program that I've sold close to 40 million in about 4, 5, 6 months, 5 months, I guess. Okay, I'll put 6 months. I'll also show you a sneak peek of that. There are two ways I get paid for my products. One is through Paystack, the other is through bank transfer or deposit, but overall it's split up 50% on both sides. Let's show you a sneak peek of that also. Now remember I said I sold to April on Expertnaire. I created my own product. This is my Paystack dashboard. You'll notice that I started selling it around July, actually around 15th or 16th of July. So between July and November, see, about 50% of the commissions came through, or the earnings, sorry, came through Paystack. The other 50% came through my email, as people send me emails when they've paid into my account. So this is one of the emails. Payments, you will see them, payment made, confirmation, payment made. This is also a lot. I can keep scrolling and scrolling. These are payments for the product. I can keep scrolling. You can see payments. I just paid, proof of payment. They are all payments. I can just literally open any of it. See, transaction receipt. See, payments. That's it. Person just paid into my account. That's 25,000. So these are also about, so like I said, split two ways, but between both through the Paystack and the bank deposit. So within that period, I made close to my 40 million selling this product. So you can see the program is fantastic. A lot of people have gone ahead to copy my sales copy, my video sales letter style, ad copies, and so if I literally see my ad copy on people, it means what I'm doing is I'm doing something right, So I literally became a pace setter. So I'm not saying you'll get my exact results, but I know the course will equip you enough. Now, what you do with what you're learning it is up to you. I went all out. Advice that you do too. Cheers. And thanks to Tony Motosha for an amazing job you did with the 72 IG program. Have a great day.
Hi guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to Tony Omoto Show and you watching this video right now. My name is Onome Morin. I'm a top athlete with Expertnaire, a wife, mother, onlinepreneur, and a Christian. Personally, I've known Tony Omoto Show for the last 12 years now, and he's the real deal. He's an expert who teaches what works today with online business marketing, not what worked last year or 2 years ago. I mean today. I highly recommend anyone looking to add an extra income stream to start with the Expertnaire affiliate platform. And the best training for you to be really successful is the 72-hour income generator training by Toyo Motosho. Not only will his training take anyone, I mean a beginner who is serious to earn a living online from step A to Z, you also get his mentorship. Trust me, you can build a side income from this. Personally, I recently embarked on a project that leaves me very little time for myself, and I came across the Expertnaire platform and this training and went for it. Let me show you some of my results. I mean, even during this economic downturn, this affiliate online business is still paying, courtesy of the 72-hour income generator and Expertnaire. So I'm going to quickly log into my Expertnaire account. I just click on the affiliate login here and my account shows up. You can see that my all-time earnings right here is 6,173,250 naira, and my account balance right here is 225,000 naira. This is for just 1 week's work, and this coming Friday I'm gonna be paid 120,000 naira. This is for real and it actually works. Let me show you something else. You can see that my all-time sales from this business, this affiliate online business, is 461 sales, meaning that 461 Nigerians actually purchased the online courses, the various online courses on the Expertnaire platform through my affiliate link. I'm telling you, my friend, if I as a lady can do this, you can do this too. Online business is the new goal, not oil, not the jobs, not a brick and mortar business, but affiliate marketing online business. So I encourage you to go for this training. and your story will be one of success, like me and other students who are using the Expertnaire platform to be successful.
So guys, the 72 hours income generator is a transformational course for any serious mind. Putting to work what I learned from that in 3 months brought in about 1.2 million naira in 3 months. I've also applied the concept and the knowledge learned on other promotional platforms, on international scene precisely, and the impacts are mind-blowing. So guys, 72-hour income generator works anytime, any day. Anyone who really wants to generate real good income from the internet, who needs to apply serious affiliate marketing principles, promotional principles in the building of his business, should go for the 72-hour income generator. The course simply is like a building block, taking you through all the basics of affiliate marketing. It is great for both the newbies and for the experienced marketers. Everyone needs what Mr. Toyi and his team has put together there. You learn how to choose your offer. You learn how to create your landing pages. You learn how to craft your sales copies. You learn how to do your email swipes. At the same time, in fact, everything about building up what I call the sales machine is what Mr. Tony and his team have demystified for the 72 hours income generator. And that is why anybody who is serious minded can just come on board and pick up this course, and without much ado begin to crush it big time. You see that? So anyone who is ready to conquer affiliate marketing, should stop wasting time. Just go get the course and take out time and go through it. 1 hour, 1 week, 2 weeks is enough for you to consume what there is therein. Then you are good to go. Then concentrate. Take your eyes away from all the shiny objects on the internet here and there. And I tell you, come back with greater testimonials. The course is a comprehensive one. For the benefit of doubt, let me take you through my system and show you how much I've been able to make from there. I told you 1.2 million naira. Let me show it to you.
Hello guys. Okay, logging into my account right away with Expertnaire just to show you the income proof of the impact of the 72 hours income generator on my account. Just logged in. You can see my name here. This is Chico F. Steven, and you can see so far that 113 sales have been generated, and in all, total commission is 1,241,500 naira. What this means is that I have made about 2.5 million naira sales using the 72 hours income generation business model on the internet. Is 1,241,500 naira. It's actually my commission because Expertnaire pays 50% of that. And if you can see here, account balance, net payout 00. I have cashed out all the money. So before the end of this week, before the end of today, another income might fall in here and you will see it here. But so far I've cashed out all the earnings, and that's how you can see 00 here. And that pays you your income every Friday precisely. So guys, you've seen it, that it works. It works. This is 1.241,500 naira generated from the system within my past 3 months of active paying. Thank you very much.
So guys, you've seen the amount, 1.2 million naira, and we are just starting. So Mr. Tony, I want to say thank you for 72 hours income generator.
My name is Ademiluyi Adekuiga, and I'm here to just talk about the Self-to IG program. This is a program that has helped me personally to generate over 3.5 million naira, which you can see right here on the screenshot here when I log into my account. And this is as a result of the trainings being received from Mr. Tony. A member of a student. I've known him for a long period, as far as I can remember. I've known Mr. Tony, and I've been privileged to be able to receive his mentorship, which has helped me in building up my own personal business. So the 72 IG program is a straightforward program whereby you receive trainings that shows you how to set up your own profitable online business via affiliate marketing. And this is a system that works. It has the system that works, that if you follow it, you will definitely get results. It's the same system that he shared with you that I also took from him and used in generating this income that you are seeing right here. And there are so many other people that have also have been able to get this type of result, and it's all as a result of them listening to his advice, his trainings, to his recommendations. If you know that this is something you want to be a part of, definitely be a part of it, and join others that are currently joining the program.